Alright, so I am going to make a jar file for my Russian peasant multiplication application that I made. So first off, we gotta open that in the text editor, get rid of this package. And if it's determined in a certain package, it causes a compiling error to create a new class. So let me save that without the package name in the code. And then you gotta create a manifest to points at the main class. So you want to do main dash class colon space and your program's name, which is Russian peasant multiplication. Alright, yeah, I got it. Alright, and then very important, you want to enter down 2 lines return carriage. It causes a parsing error when you're pointing to your main class in your jar by adding this to your manifest. So you want to save this in the same directory, or you can save it in another directory, but you have to point to it. So I'm just going to write manifest dot text, save that, and close out of that now. And now I'm going to open a terminal. Alright, now we want to compile this, the Java compile, Java C, and point to your Java file here. Now create a class file. Let's see, make sure it's still there. Yep, Russian peasant multiplication class, that's right. Alright, so now we need to create a jar. So in order to create that jar file, we're just going to type jar and then CFM, and the C is to create a jar, the F is to output to a file other than the standard output, and the M is to merge information into the manifest, such as an entry point or access point for the class file, main class. Alright, so I'm going to type my program name, which is jar space, and then the manifest dot text, and then the program's class. So that will be I have my jar file here, spectacular, and now we're going to run that. So in order to run the jar file in the terminal, it's just a standard print line output like this one is. You're going to just type Java dash jar and the program's name dot jar. So you're just going to paste that back in there. And boom. Let's see, 34 times 67 is 2,278. Alright, that's what I got. See ya in class.